Hey guys, or I can say good evening. So I'm going to be showing you something today, and when I checked there on the predictions, it says it's Tony or Daniel today who's presenting. So I'm going to use the strategies that they use together. So we're going to start with Daniel's strategy that he used. So remember, we used previous results to predict these results. Do you see that? Okay, so what happens here is we're going to use these digits 38 and 43. We're going to add them up like 38 plus 43 plus 55, and then we're going to say 38 plus 43 times 2. It will give me chords, 2 chords. So those chords are 136 and 124. So out of those chords, if you check closely, you will see that there is 21 there, there is 24 there, there is 13. So since Daniel has picked 13, 21 and 24, and there is 23 as well there, so Daniel took 4 numbers out of that chord. This is the chord which worked on what? On lunchtime. So which means there is a high chance, let's say you see this chord 136 is not yet exhausted. So because if you say 1 plus 36, it will definitely give you a 37. If you subtract, it will give you a 35. Then if you add up, it will give you a 19. If you subtract again, it will give you a 7. So watch out for these numbers: 36, 37, 35. It can hit them like 36, 37, 35, then they put a 19 on that chord, because it did not work like, they did not use it all, they just used what? 18. And then as for Tony, this is what he's going to do. Tony, you will take these numbers and add them up to this. For example, it's 20, I don't have a pen, is 24, 28, 30, 34, 39. So let us use the calculator. So we're going to say 20, sorry, what am I doing? I want to open the calculator. I'm going to open the calculator just now. Sorry for that inconvenience. 24 plus, let's say, so it's 24 plus 28. 24 plus 28 plus 34 plus 39. That gives us a 125. So our first chord is 125. That's our first chord. Then I'll show you how we're going to break that chord. Then we will go back again now and take 34, 39. 34 plus 39, sorry, 34 plus 39 plus 55, we get 128. So remember, we've got 125 and now we are having 128. Then we're also going to multiply by 2. We're going to get 112. So look at this now. These are our chords for tea time. The first one is 1, 1, 2. Second one, 128. Third one, 125. So out of these chords, if you check closely, you will see that the number that is common in these chords is 12. Am I clear, team? Then, if you check chord 125, if you add up everything there, it will give you a 26 and a 24. And then if you add like 12 plus 5, that will give you a 17, which has dropped. So we won't worry about that. Then, if you subtract 12 minus 5, that will give you a 7. So the alternate of 17 is what? Is a 7. And then if you go again to this one, code 128. I hate this app because it's got so much colors. If you check here, we say 12 plus 8, that will give you a 20. 12 minus 8, that will give you a 4. So, which means the numbers that are on these codes: 112, 125, 128. I'm just gonna say the banker is 12, so that I can be like, I'm going to use 12 as a banker because 13 is dropped. So if ever, let's say we're taking 12 as a banker, we're going to say 12, 28, 25, and a 15, because this code, it shows us that there's a 15. And then we take a 7 as well. Then from that other code, if we separate 1 minus 12, that will give us an 11. Am I right? 1 minus 12 is an 11, yes. And then if I subtract, so where does this 27 come from now? Because the 28 is dropped, so which means the banker for tonight should be 7, if I'm not mistaken, 7 and 12. But the recommendation that I have, I would say you guys play 12 as the banker, because some of you guys are playing singles, and then our bonus ball should be 5 or 8. Between 8 and 5 there should be a bonus ball there. So our first code is 112, second code 125, third code is 128. Those are the codes that are going to be working on tea time. So guys, this is what it is. Please keep on subscribing, liking the videos, and also make sure that you win. Thank you. See you on the next one.